The founder of Kwasizabantu mission, Reverend Arlu Stegen, and his late wife Kay, had a vision of providing properly trained teachers to the poverty-stricken rural areas of KwaZulu-Natal. This led to her establishing the Cedar College of Education, where as its first rector, she championed a high-quality, Christ-centered education program. Since its inception in 1994, the college has produced scores of spiritually well-equipped missionary teachers, able to stand their ground in a modern society. It was Reverend Arlu Stegen's vision to establish a multiracial, multicultural environment with Christ as binding element. This has been done at Cedar College. Testament to this is the fact that the college has been attended by students of 18 different nationalities from all over the world.
We start with devotion in the morning. On Monday mornings we have prayer meetings. We pray for the work at the mission, the work overseas in different places, and for past students. We pray for our leaders, we pray for the work of the students, and that everyone may grow and may get something worthwhile while here at college.
Hi, I'm Tobeka. I'm from Pietermaritzburg. My favorite thing about the college is that there's a lot of unity here. You feel at home. Everyone here is like family.
Hi, it's Denisa here. I come from Romania. I would say Cedar College is a great place to be in. I learned a lot in these 4 years, and I feel very prepared to go out as a teacher. We have beautiful lecturers that helped us a lot. Even during our lecturers' time, we receive a lot of practical advice, how to do it in class, and that really helps us.
I'm not only studying here, I'm also singing in a few choirs. I'm participating in the work of Concerned Community, which helps drug addicts and other people that need help. Sometimes we go out with teams to schools. We tell the people about the dangers of drugs and human trafficking. We also preach the gospel in any way.
My name is Tole Machikula from Ladysmith. I'm a third year at Cedar College of Education. I came here at CCE to become a Christian teacher because in schools around here we need Christian teachers so that we can pass Christian education to the learners.
Starting as only a few classrooms and airplane sheds linked to the Domino Servite school at the Kwasizabantu mission, the Cedar College of Education has since then grown in leaps and bounds over the years as the separate campus which it is today. The most recent addition and pride of the campus is the new female hostel. In October of 1996, the college received accreditation from the former Potchefstroom University for Christian higher education. And since that time, qualifications were validated, accredited, and certified by the Northwest University.
This college has a wonderful history. It began with Reverend Arlu Stegen and his wife, Auntie Kay, having the vision to train teachers with a missionary zeal. After all, this is a missionary station. And yes, we had a school which gives good Christian education and very good academics, and quite a few were interested in the teaching profession. So this college is unashamedly Christian, but we also want to give good academics, and so we are very happy to have Potchefstroom University, the NWU, to sort of foster care us and to help us along the way, and they've really gone out of their way to assist us in these past years.
In 2002, Cedar College went into a formal agreement with the university to offer internationally recognized B.Ed programs, utilizing the Northwest University study guides and resource materials. Although it may be considered as a Northwest University satellite campus, the Cedar College of Education operates as a totally financially independent entity. Graduation ceremonies are held annually, with successful students receiving degrees issued by the Northwest University.
We have a lot of support from our lecturers and from co-workers here and from people around, and they are very supportive. And it was more like a family setup, so I didn't feel like isolated from my family. They were supporting me academically and spiritually as well, and they were also supporting me with if anything, if you need them. Our lecturers were there for us, and they could actually like be our parents. So it was like home away from home.
While spiritual growth enjoys great emphasis at the college, students are, however, encouraged to excel in all aspects of life. It is in this light that students regularly participate in sports like soccer, netball, and volleyball. There is also the Cedar College Choir, Youth Choir, Mass Choir, and other activities. These include cultural evenings, which are held on a regular basis to create mutual respect for other cultures. Students also participate in cleaning the college facilities as a way of character building. Students also take part in outreaches to local orphanages, youth services, other mission stations, and a fourth-year outreach program. Skits and plays with relevant Christian messages are also performed, particularly during mission activities where young preachers are used to reach the youth. Finally, a tradition which continues to this day was established by Mrs. Stegan before her death, whereby each final year student is issued with a servant's towel. This is done as a visible token to remind every student to remain a servant according to the example set by Jesus Christ in John 13 verses 4 to 14. For more information, you can gladly contact us at Cedar College of Education. Our email address is mail@cedar.org.za.